Alright, I'll show you something pretty interesting. When I had Ramses, I never had this difficulty. So this is one where I've been calling small, for want of a better name. It has been named Fuego by a young girl. He has been pretty quiet. He takes water, but he's not real keen on eating at the moment. But watch what happens when I put him in the same cage as Ramses. Okay, so here he goes. There's Ramses. And we put Small in, and off it goes. Right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring out the bag of minced meat that I've got for Birds, who's very insistently doing its best to get some grub. Here. Come on. Come on. Don't be stupid. Ramses knows what's going on. Ramses not into it, really. Yeah. What are you going to do, Rams? Oh. Come here. Oh, Ramses is quite happy to take the mince out of my hand. Doesn't appear to be feeding it though. We'll have another go. Here, Rams. Right, hey. Small, Rams is not into feeding you. Okay? That's quite a bit of a pain in the arse. And I tell you what, if someone else's kids came up and started squawking at me like that, I'd be the same. Small. Small. Yeah. You're gonna have to. You've been really difficult as far as eating goes compared to Ramses, what he was like. Okay. We're gonna have to do what I would term the force feed. There. Go. No. Dropped it. Smaller. Look at that gob, it's all the way open. There, take it. Ah, good. Oops. Try again. Fingers. Come on. Fingers. Come on. I'm trying to see. Yeah, fingers gone all the way down its gob, you see. Okay, now it's eating. Oops. Yeah, well that's called gutsing. You're going to need a drink of water with that. Yeah, you will. Okay, here. We're going to do you some more. Alright, you got the hang of where the food comes from? Here, it's here. Into the mouth. Finger goes all the way down. See, just about gobbles the whole finger. Right. Another one. You getting the hang of it yet? I'll just see if you can drop it. No, there it goes. Okay. Now, do you see where the food comes from, Small? Now, look, shouting at Ramses, he's not going to care. You know, you want some? Maybe you have some, Rams. This is some for you. Right, it just goes straight down like that. When I had Ramses, he was a lot easier to feed because he did the squawking on his own. So I just shoved it. Oh, that was a bit of a squeak. Yeah, so I just shoved the food down Ramses' gob straight away. But this one here needs a bit of encouragement to start squawking. Come here. You going to go for another one, or you had enough for now? So I'm not going to be chasing Rams around all day, squawking your head off at him. Yeah. Open your gob. Now what the trick is, if he's not gobbing, I find I could grab the, just want to show you, I'm not going to shove food down, but I find if I just grab the beak, like that, I'm trying to do it with one hand, and then lever it open. There, it's open. You see, did you see that? I'll do it again. So there. So I've just grabbed the beak and hooked it over with my thumbnail like that, right? And when it's open like that, and you've got the bird held with your other hand so it's not going backwards on you all the time, you can just get this and just like you've got the beak open, you just shovel that into the hole, and he gets the message pretty quick. alright? But so far since I got this fella yesterday, I've just been watching him. Look, Small, you're going to get pecked. Here. Ramsey's knows that this is... Ramsey's pinched the meat. See, Small? He's not interested, is he? Rams is not your feeder. Yeah? Here, Rams. Okay. And Small. Come on. There you go, it's going up. Open the book. Open the gob. Right, there. So we're going to go. Shh. I just want a silence of you. So there you are. I've just held the back of him to do what I've just told you. And it's gone in. He's had a go. Right, Ramses could not care less about this little fella's hungry. This little fella's appetite. Come on. Good. Don't sit there. Wait. Sit up. Right. Okay. And that's Small. I'll go and get you a drink of water shortly. Well, it sounds like you're finally satisfied. Don't know. Maybe one mouthful off being happy. To tell you what, Ramsey will not tolerate this whining all day long. I'll give you one more. Sounds like you want one more to me. You know, shove that in, you're not going to get any sympathy. Right? You're not going to get any sympathy from Ramesses. So it's best you learn to satisfy yourself where you ought to. Okay? There. You notice when your beak's closed and your mouth's quiet, you don't get picked on. Hey, Rams. Just leave the silly thing on its own, alright? I understand, you don't want to feed other people's children, do you? Okay.